Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the May 2023 Sew Sampler box. If you're new to Sew Sampler boxes, they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They include patterns, fabric, and notions. So we're going to take a look inside this month's box. They do retail for, I think they're $29.95 now. They did go up this year. They used to be $24, but I'm almost positive they're $29. So you'll want to check their website and I'll put it here on the screen. The theme for this month is called The Sweetest Thing, and on the back there is a 20% off Layer Cakes coupon code. So you want to make sure to check out the back of your insert so you can take advantage of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through it. I've got my little card here that tells me everything that is in there. We're gonna start off with the Pressed Flowers Sew Along. So this is their monthly sew along that they do. Each month you get a different pattern in your box. Once you've gotten all 12 boxes, you'll get a finishing kit or finishing instructions so you can put all those blocks together. This is what the patterns look like this month. They're these kind of cardstocky patterns. They're really well put together, very easy to follow, good for beginners. This particular one looks like there's going to be a lot of pieces, so I would say maybe beginner intermediate for this, just because of the amount of pieces, but I don't think there's anything super difficult with it, but it is very, very cute. I do believe their kits for it, their fabric kits are sold out now, so I don't think you can get these anymore, but you can still get the patterns so you can at least sew along with maybe a different line or something similar. These patterns do retail for $4.98 on the Fat Quarter Shop website. I keep them all together, bundle them up, and then do a giveaway at the end of all my boxes for one of you. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I grabbed out of my box is this antique gold thread cutter pendant. This is by Clover. It retails for $7.74, and it says, accessorize your love of quilting with the antique gold thread cutter pendant by Clover. It's a clever piece of jewelry that features a steel blade for thread cutting that is protected by a beautiful zinc covering. You can thread and wear it for quilting, on the go, place it upright in a thread spool, or place it upright in a thread spool in your sewing station. So this little guy right here can go down inside your thread spool, and then that'll kind of keep it out of your way if you're not going to be wearing it, but otherwise you can wear it like a pendant. There's a little picture on there, kind of what they're talking about with the necklace or the thread spool. So the next thing we have in here is also by Clover. This is the Pistachio Sweet and Sharp Macaroon. It retails for $10.98, and it says, we love the Pistachio Sweet and Sharp Macaroon by Clover for so many reasons. Here's what it looks like. It said it's magnetic to keep track of the loose needles and pins, and the creamy center is made of a cotton nylon blend that sharpens and polishes as you gently insert and pull your needle out a few times. So the side that has their Clover logo on it is, I believe, not magnetic. You put your needle on the side that doesn't have the Clover logo, and then yeah, you just insert and pull out your needle a few times in that soft squishy center. It's like soft, and that has some sharpening thing in there that helps keep your needles nice and sharp. This would be great for cross stitching, hand binding, anything like that. Super cute. You can just toss this in your bag, and I mean, it's adorable. We also have two Metler threads in here this month. Total value for these is $6.96. They are Metler 100% cotton silk finishing thread. It says, keep your sewing machine fed with this high quality thread from Metler. Sample this 50 weight 100% cotton thread from one of the most trusted brands in the world in 2 neutral hues for your most cherished quilts. And Metler thread is really nice, silky thread. These are kind of a creamy and white, like a soft white, not bright in your face white, but like a soft white. So I think both these colors would match just about any project you're working on unless it's super dark. All right, we also have a little bonus item in here. This is a nail file. This is from the Featherweight shop, and they have some really cute little notions. We had one in last month's box. This is the bonus for this month. It is valuing at $5.98, and it's just 2 little fingernail files, and who couldn't use some fingernail files in their sewing room? Plus they've got, let's open them up here. We've got 2 designs, oh so pretty, and then a little like Featherweight logo, and then the back has their logo on the back as well. So very cute. The pattern for this month is the Mi Casa quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. It values at $9.98. It looks like it finishes at about 58.5 by 58.5. And it says, home is where the heart is. There is no sweeter feeling than being at home. The Mi Casa quilt celebrates that sentiment with a lovely pieced house block centered in a big star. Try this design with a fruit cocktail junior layer cake in this month's box. It does say there are limited finishing kits kits available at Fat Quarter Shop, so definitely check that out. They're using the mini layer cake plus some background and binding, so really cute. This also looks extremely beginner friendly, so it would be really cute to hang on your wall in your home or even in your sewing room. And then the fabric for this month's box, this is always my favorite part. This is a fruit cocktail junior layer cake. This is by Fig Tree and for Moda, and it retails at $22.48, and it said nothing is naturally sweeter than the fruit cocktail collection by Fig Tree Quilts for Moda fabrics. Vibrant summer blues, reds, yellows, greens, and oranges are sprinkled with flowers, berries, and other fruits. Enjoy this specially curated junior layer cake with plenty of sewing and sunshine. And this line is adorable. I have an entire fat 1/8 bundle of this, plus I have some backing, and I actually used the fruit cocktail blue eyelet print for the background in my latest Liberty quilt. So very, very cute. There's a lot of possibilities. It has all of the kind of fun fig tree prints that we've grown to love. And there's lots of yellows, oranges, blues. So really pretty. Here's kind of a side view, if my camera can get that. Get my face out of the way. So I added everything up for you, and the total retail value for this month's box is $69.10. So pretty good value for your money. The boxes, like I said, are $29.95. So that's gonna be it for today's box. Let me know what your favorite item was from this box. I think mine is definitely going to be the fabric. That's always one of my favorites. I'm excited about the pressed flower sew along. I think having different flower boxes is gonna be really cute, and I'm always excited to see how they finish them because they usually have fun finishing ideas as well. And I'm kind of loving this little macaroon. I don't know, we'll see. But I do a lot of cross stitching, as you know. I do not hand bind my quilts, I machine bind my quilts, but I think this will be really cute to toss in my stitching bag. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Like I said, let me know what your favorites are in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out and it doesn't cost you anything. You can also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos that we have. We've got a lot of fun planned for this summer. I will make sure to link where you can get your Sew Sampler box below. You can also head over to Fat Quarter Shop as well and just search their website for Sew Sampler. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Whew, it's hot here. Okay, what's moving on? Accessorize. Is that in focus? Yeah. Oh, and if you're curious, the quilt and the pillow and runner behind me are all from my newest pattern called Liberty. You can get that in my store at store.confessionsofahomeschooler.com. The pattern includes everything you need for the full-size quilt plus the bonus projects, so definitely head over and check that out.